Stop whatever you're doing, because we have just discovered the closest black hole to us. This black hole is so close to our planet Earth, but we have never even noticed it before. You all know how difficult it is to see a black hole because black holes do not emit light, and we can only see it when black hole is either engulfing a star or a massive star's light gets bent around the black hole. Probably that's why we were not able to see this black hole, though it was lurking so close to us. In fact, it's so close that it breaks the last record of Cygnus X1's discovery. The surprising new discovery emerged from the data collected by the Gaia telescope, a highly specialized instrument designed for measuring the velocities of various objects within our galaxy. This field of study is known as astrometry. By analyzing the movement of stars that exhibit unusual orbital patterns, researchers have stumbled upon a fascinating find. They have identified a relatively large and bright star located about 2000 light-years from Earth, situated within the galactic halo. What makes this star particularly intriguing is its orbit around a massive black hole, estimated to be at least 33 times the mass of our Sun. The star completes an orbit around this black hole roughly every 11.6 years. Interestingly, this star is not in close proximity to the black hole, meaning it does not lose any mass on it, nor does it form an accretion disk. As a result, the black hole remains quiet and non-luminous. The discovery stands out due to the significant mass of the black hole, which is greater than of Cygnus X1, a well-known black hole about 7,000 light-years from us, and also more massive than Gaia BH3, the closest known black hole at approximately 1,500 light-years from us. The newly discovered black hole is one of the closest massive black hole to Earth, despite its quiet nature. It was detected through careful observations of subtle change in the star's orbit, underscoring the sensitivity and precision of the Gaia telescope in revealing hidden celestial phenomena. As expected from a rigorous scientific inquiry, there are intriguing ancillary revelations concerning the whereabouts and implications of this discovery. Initially employing a mosaic of observational techniques from ultraviolet scans to harnessing the power of cutting-edge instruments like the VLT, researchers decoded the stellar identity intertwined with the colossal black hole. Fundamentally, in binary systems, the prevailing assumption is a synchronous genesis from identical source materials. By decrypting the constituent makeup and stellar pedigree, critical insights into the enigmatic black hole's genesis unfold. A thorough study of the stellar anatomy unveiled its stark metal deficiency, predominantly comprised of primordial hydrogen and helium, with scant elemental enrichment. Contrastingly, this ambiguous contrast in mass loss trajectory during stellar efflux vis-a-vis its more evolved counterparts heralds a revelation. Consequently, as these stars approach the threshold of cosmic cataclysm or transition into black holes, they bear a prodigious mass inheritance. Also, this study suggests there might be more discoveries like this in the future. There are cool tools like Gaia that can find pairs of objects in space where one is hidden until its movement gives it away. That's exactly what happened here. The star's movement hinted that something big was nearby, making it likely there are more hidden black holes waiting to be found. Even though this black hole is close to us, it's not in the same path as most of the other stuff in our galaxy. It seems to belong to something older, maybe a leftover from a long ago collision with another galaxy. So this black hole and its partner might actually be from a whole different galaxy, even though they have been hanging out in our Milky Way for about 5 million years. Exactly how all this connects to the evolution of the Milky Way and what this shows us about how various things in the galaxy evolved is not something we can answer yet. Most of these recent discoveries of various streams are also a result of studies based on Gaia telescope. So it will probably take a few years and maybe a decade to finally figure out what is exactly happening and what all this means. How all of this played out over the billion years. But at least for now, this is just super exciting discovery. A discovery of an extremely unusual black hole very close to us that was always there but nobody saw until now. And that by itself is super unexpected. Thanks for joining today. Please share this video with your friends who like to learn about space.